Done with that broke feeling hitting you whenever you peek in your wallet? Let's flip things fast. I've laid out a move-by-move plan that can change your money game quicker than you expect. Stay sharp. The real profits hide where nobody bothers to search. Ever thought about minting a token and watching it blow up? You're in the perfect place for that. I'll walk you through each step in a clean, no BS way. Heads up though, this space moves at light speed, and if you hesitate, you'll miss the window. Take a look at what's happening on pump.fun. It's pure chaos. Fresh tokens are rolling in non-stop, then tanking before anyone can blink. The prime entries are already history, and the pros have shifted to smarter plays. All that's left are beginners gambling aimlessly. If you've got experience, there are cleaner moves to chase. The meme coin flood is still in overdrive. New ones launch faster than anyone can count. The market's drowning in them, and tracking each one is impossible. Drop your token right now, and it's almost guaranteed to get lost in the pile. Spraying and praying doesn't work in this market. You need a framework that actually performs, and Radium brings exactly that. Compared to pump.fun, it's night and day. Steadier momentum, cleaner execution, and full control in your hands. Those sudden dips that cause chaos? They're just a tactic in disguise, and I'll teach you how to profit from them. Radium changed the game. It's turned token creation from a mess into something simple. The excitement's still high, so now's your moment to dive in. If you're not big on code, it might feel tricky at first, but don't trip. Take it easy. This part's actually pretty straightforward. I've played around with a bunch of options, and Moontool just works best alongside Radium. It's trending big and built for all levels of users. And yeah, no coding stress. I'll guide you through every step. People judge by looks first. Same goes for your token. Jump into Canva, punch in 128 by 128 pixels, and go crazy with the design. The dumber or funnier, the better. Download the final image, and your coin now officially has a front man. Time to jump into Moontool. Link your wallet first. Phantom's my go-to since it's super fast and reliable. Type in your coin's full name and ticker symbol. For example, I used Stoolcoin and STL. Add a slogan or funny phrase if you've got one, upload your image, click Next, and keep it rolling. You're now at the supply setup stage, the real backbone of your coin. The numbers here shape how the project feels and trades. 1 billion tokens is the tried and true setup that keeps things running smooth. Give your page a final scan, hit Next, and keep pushing forward like you own the process. Here's the creator setup part. It gives you the option to spend 0.1 Sol to attach your name to the token. Not necessary. You can skip it without missing anything. I'd hold on to that Sol for trades instead. Tap Next, and keep the flow going. You'll see the social media setup screen next. It's got slots for your project's Twitter, site, and more. Honestly though, Radium's built-in visibility covers most of that. I skipped the links for my token, and it didn't slow things down one bit. Here's the authority screen, the one that separates solid projects from sketchy ones. You'll spot 3 switches: freeze, minting, and update authority. Each gives you control, but also scares off investors. Flip them all off and click Launch My Token Now for a clean, trusted start. Hit launch, and your wallet will ask for a couple of approvals. Totally normal. This is where it gets real. Approve each one, and your token's permanently locked in the blockchain. It's that unbeatable feeling of finally crossing the line you've been chasing. Right after launch, Moontool gives you a direct link to SolScan. Click it to double-check that your contract's locked in and running perfectly. From there, the real game begins, building your liquidity pool and putting your token into motion. This is the turning point. Liquidity brings your token to life. No pool means no trades, period. From Moontool, open the second link to Radium's liquidity setup. Hook up your wallet. Phantom keeps things seamless. If it glitches, reset from the top right. Grab your token address from either SolScan or Moontool. The latter's quicker. Back on Radium, paste it in. Type your name and ticker, Stoolcoin and STL for mine. Click Add User Token, and watch the billion token supply appear. Start the engine by feeding 900 million of your tokens into the pool. Confirm that Sol is your chosen quote token. It's the one that matters here. Toss in a bit of Sol too, ideally somewhere from 0.4 up to 2. Always hang on to 0.2. Sol, just for transactions. When that's squared away, go with a 2% fee tier for nice balanced trading. This last screen decides your swap fee. Stick with 2% if you want to play it safe. It's tried and trusted, but 1% or 0.5% can work if you're experimenting. After you've locked it in, press Initialize Liquidity Pool. Confirm everything in your wallet, and boom, your pool's officially online. Quick maintenance move. Open Photon and double-check that Radium's CPMM mode is switched on. It's the key to getting your token noticed. If you skip it, you're basically launching in the dark. Radium's visibility and reach outclass Pump.Fun by a mile. Let's keep pushing forward. Alright, time to visualize your progress. Copy the token address from Moontool or SoulScan, whichever's closer. Jump on Dex Screener, open a random token, and replace its contract address in the link with yours. That's it. You'll see your own chart load instantly. Bots will likely flood the first few trades, but once the graph climbs upward, you'll know the momentum's real. One more step to go. Don't lose focus. Hop into Radium, click Portfolio, and take a look at your liquidity setup. Verify that standard mode is active. Don't stress if nothing loads at first. It can take a good 10 to 15 minutes for Radium to display your info. Patience pays here. While it updates, circle back to your live chart. We're 11 minutes in, and there have been 2 purchases, $15 and $18. Combined, that's 0.2 Solana, fueling a chart to climb and generating an initial liquidity of $218. Let's watch what unfolds next. At the 20-minute mark, 2 buys have come in, $30 and $18, adding up to 0.25 Sol. The chart's ticking upward, and liquidity is holding at $256. Might be a smart point to step out. Cashing out's easy. Make sure Phantom's connected. Just tap the wallet icon if not. In the standard view, scroll to your LP tokens and select minus to release them. Smooth and done. Crank the slider to full, 100%, to withdraw every token. The Sol total underneath is your payout. Once you hit remove liquidity and approve the confirmation, the transaction wraps up right away. Ready for quick profits? This formula proves itself. Most tokens launched like this explode out of the gate, and jumping in early only boosts your shot. The bold claim rewards, the slow miss out. Keep your head straight, follow through, and move with precision. Timing makes the difference.